Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the third episode of Biophysics Decoded. Think about everything you have done today. Walked to class, scrolled on your phone, even just blinked your eyes. Every single one of those actions required energy. But where did that energy come from? It comes from a tiny invisible molecule that is quite literally the universal battery for almost all life on Earth, ATP. ATP stands for Adenosine Triphosphate. Think of it like a rechargeable battery for your cells. When a battery is charged, it has chemical potential energy. It's ready to do work. When you put it in a toy, the potential energy is converted into motion and sound. Your cells work the exact same way. They have these tiny molecular machines like the protein motors we talked about last time that do nothing until they are plugged in with a fully charged ATP battery. So what's make ATP so special? What does this charged battery actually look like? Imagine a spring. When you compress a spring and hold it, you are storing potential energy. The harder you push, the more energy is stored, and the more force it will release when you let go. An ATP molecule has three parts, like a trio of beads in a row. The key is that these three parts are all negatively charged. And as we know from physics, like charges repel each other. So imagine trying to hold three really strong magnets together with the same poles facing each other. You have to use a lot of energy to force them to stay close. That's exactly what an ATP molecule is. Three negative charges held tightly together, packed with potential energy because they are being forced to stay in the space where they don't want to be. It's a loaded molecular spring, ready to snap. Now, when a cell needs to do work, a muscle fiber needs to contract, or a protein needs to pump a molecule across a membrane, it grabs an ATP molecule. A special machine inside the cell snips off the last one of these three negative charges, breaking the bond. When that happens, it's like letting go of a compressed spring. The two remaining pieces suddenly fly apart because they are no longer forced together. That sudden release of motion, that spring uncoiling, is the energy that powers the work of the cell. This is a beautiful piece of physics in biology. The energy your body uses is not created from nothing. It was originally stored as chemical potential energy in the repulsive force between these negatively charged phosphates. The cell uses that release over and over, billions of times per second, to keep you alive. ATP is the tiny, universal battery that turns the potential energy of physics into the motion of life. Every thought you have, every beat of your heart is powered by these microscopic, loaded springs releasing their energy in a flash.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.